Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we got a bit of an issue here, being as it's going to be quite bad weather over the next couple of days here in Benidorm. We're going to be doing some sort of more different videos, more at home videos basically. Not sure whether that implies to all the family or just me, but yeah, stay tuned for them. Got some like cooking vids coming soon, cocktail vids, gonna do a sit down and moan vid, which you seem to like. Anyway, before I forget, drop a comment down below where you're from, whether it's England, Spain, anywhere, just wherever you're from, like put your country and your city or your village or your county, anything really. Anyway, let me flip you around. Got Mike with us, Benidorm Place.
Just waiting for him to open this parcel now.
Sue with us.
Hi guys.
Yep, we've got another Temu parcel now. Not too sure what we bought this time, but let's see what we got. Okay, I'll sort of shove you there, bring you down a bit. So this is it. Feels like maybe 2 boxes in there. So hopefully it's what we've ordered and they ain't thought, oh, it's out of stock, we're just give him something random like a vibrator or something. Oh, like Christmas.
You're good at getting these bags out, aren't you, Marcus?
A bit. I haven't done it for a while. Ah, there we are.
Tell everybody.
So first up, we've got a little mini camera thingy. Got wide angle on it, night vision, and 1.3 inch LCD. It is 1080p full HD, like it's a little clip-on body cam. Let's check that out first if I can get it open. Man, I hate these little stickers I put on it. No, I'm alright.
Need some
Almost.
house to do that.
Get Mum to do it.
Yeah, I'm doing it now.
Almost.
Let's check that out, Marcus. I thought that was 4K.
No.
Still, should get some good
It'll
vids.
do.
I mean, it ain't 4K, but surely you can not run your vid through InShot then into 4K. See? Oh, nice
Yeah,
see.
maybe.
Anyway, so yeah, what I have noticed is the box is a wee bit grubby at first, but don't matter. It's called a mini body camera. Let's have a look. Oh. So first, like the package, you do get like a little SIM card there, if you can see that.
Memory card.
Memory card. Not sure how much storage it's got on that. Ah, 64 gigabytes.
Yeah, I'll do.
That'll do for what we want. You've got your charging cable there to charge it. Oh, something
Small, isn't
a bit random. A USB. Store your videos on it. And now for
Flash
the
drive.
camera itself.
No, flash drive.
USB, I think. And basically, that's the camera itself, guys. There it are, if you can see that. Pretty tiny. That's your screen. Looks like you've got like volume on it. Let's have a look if it's got on charging it. Oh, it has. Wow,
I'll see if I
that's
can
got
find out
cool,
how much
that.
it was, Marcus.
They're not, you got your sort of buttons on the side. Ah, so the arrows zoom it in by looks of it. Oh God. Yeah, I don't know what I've done there.
How do I get that up, sir?
Gallery, you've got 2 different modes on it, like you can take pictures and all that with it. Quite a cool little thing, that. So yeah, that's the body camera, so just like clip it onto your shirt or something and just film.
To be a bit honest, that's a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger than we thought. I think
much was it,
Sue's
sir?
got it up on Temu, but I'm hoping,
I'm thinking about 18 quid.
yeah, maybe
18 euro.
20.
21.17 it's got on here.
21.17. I'm hoping they won't filming with that actually attached to your shirt, that it ain't gonna give like the bounciness of you actually walking. I don't know. Have you still got a SD card for it?
Yeah, the SD card, sir.
Oh, thank
Have a
God.
look at it, mate.
Yeah, I'll pass that to Mike because these are stuff for him. I'll review our next package now. There you go. That's like a little security camera type thing. Our life Bacta IP camera, got night vision, HD recording, motion detection, camera function, cloud storage and wide angle. There's also an app you've got to download to actually use it, and the thing is there's a sticker covering the QR code to actually download the app. So that if you can't,
Oh, that's great.
if you can't find it in Play Store, then you're gonna be a bit stuck.
There's probably something inside.
But it says app installation, download and install FTY Cam Pro. Please use App Store and Google Play for iOS and Android version respectively. To install, please scan the QR code below to install FTY Cam Pro. Hopefully there's instructions inside with like what to scan, because as you can see there, the sticker covers the QR code, so bit stupid really.
And I think we probably got a bit of a discount as well, so only paid $24.20 for both.
So
These
yeah,
were super cheap though, aren't they?
these were like really cheap, guys. Yeah, I think there are some instructions. Oh, one's to download it in Italian.
There'll be English on there somewhere.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I found it. Right, so just instructions on how to basically use it in all your different languages.
€2.93 that was, the little one.
Seriously? That the €2.93, guys. Bargain. And yeah, I think you got like a little warranty card in there or something. And I'm trying to work out what this is. Instructions. The product cannot be used in flammable, explosive or corrosive environments.
Like you're going to.
Like you're going to, but I mean, you never know. Anyway.
Yeah, but maybe
So
not
no
put it
farting
in
when you
high,
get out by the camera. That means.
maybe
So,
not put it in really high
pulling out the
temperatures.
box, first thing first, you got like a little holder thing. I'm guessing you remove the paper on top and you can stick it in, just like move it about, get the angle that you are wanting. Got cool. Next up, of course, charging cable, USB charging cable for your main camera itself. Great stuff. And now the camera, the main part of it. If I can get the thing out the box.
Looks like a tea cake, doesn't it?
There they are. Yeah, well, they're thinking that it literally looks like a tea cake. Just a tiny little thing as well. I imagine stick it to the stand, well, switch it on. You can get some recording. You've got an on-off switch and a mode switch on top, as well as a USB charging port, I think that is, or maybe an SD card slot. And your charging point. I'm not too sure how that'll work, actually. Oh, there's power on it. So, how the hell does it start recording? Oh, that is well weird. I'm not going to mess about with it too much without knowing how it works. But, yeah, that's it.
Maybe it records all the time.
It's a bit fair for the price. I think that's pretty cheap, pretty decent thing here. I think our plan is to try stick it on balcony and do some footage of like what we see from our balcony maybe. So
you give all my secrets away, Marcus.
hopefully it does work. Hopefully we can get some good films with both, and back come to me. So yeah, basically that's what we bought this week, 2 little sort of cameras, and I think for the price we paid for them, they're pretty alright, to be fair. I'll hopefully get us some good footage. So there's both that we got. We got the little spy cam type thing, little security camera type thing there, and of course the body camera. Can't wait to see that in action, guys. Going back to the old days when we first started YouTube with the head cam. God, yeah, who remembers that, guys? The head cam made ourselves with 2 old phone cases and a backpack strap, weren't it? Those were the days. Simplest made thing, made out of stuff we got at home, and end of the day, it done what we wanted. We did look absolute nutters, but it done what we wanted. And now, here we are, look, advanced equipment. I mean, back in them days, never did I think I'd be using the DJI as my pocket free. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's our little Temu haul. Drop a comment down below if you've ever bought anything off Temu. Don't forget to let me know down below where you're from, what country you're from, and I'll see you soon. Adios.